to not too far off to be running on. I think hardest to beat will be Angry Annie, number 11. 1 Wok and Woll to be also up on the speed, and 4 Excaro. Very tricky race. 9, 11, 1 and 4. 9 Tracciardo for mine.
9, 11, 1 and 4. If Excaro looms in, you'll know, because Paul Sortress will get absolutely busy on the fence there, and it's great to see Group 1 owners in Craig Perkins and Grant McCleary on track as well. Here's Dave Sheehan for the call of one of the features, the Coolgardie Tyre Service Sprint.
Where's Wally comes along. Don't Speed is also out of line. It'll start from number 13, one from the outside. Bevel now comes along. Don't Speed to link up. Sigil and Magnaforce will be the last couple to come forward and will be set to go. Coolgardie Tyre Service Sprint here on Cup Day. Been good fields. Of course, the big ones coming up here very shortly. We have at the next meeting here, which is on Sunday the 20th, in a fortnight's time, we have the Blue Spec Drilling Boulder Cup and the BM Geological Services Campbelder Cup, both to be run in a fortnight's time. Now the red lights are on. Sigil comes up. They're set. Stand by. Nemiroff in close. Go Racing, or Wok and Woll missed the jump about 3 lengths, and coming out quickly, Magnaforce, Angry Annie, Nemiroff ridden up hard towards the lead, and Fair Joy's also shooting up on the inside. There's some speed on early. Excaro drop right behind them over on the outside of Strato Creed. They're hammering along. Then a break of 2 1/4 back in the field, then to Where's Wally, who's on the outside of Paradise Square. Tracciardo well back in the field is Don't Speed with Unbreakable. They're flying along. Bevel is back there with Sigil, and he is on the inside as Wok and Woll after missing the jump. 650 metres left to travel, and Nemiroff able to lead. Shows the way here from Fair Joy, who's kicking up on the inside. Angry Annie's getting the drop on them third, and a break of 2 lengths to Magnaforce from Strato Creed. Excaro's had a good run. Then back on the outside, coming around them now is Where's Wally as they come to the corner. Tracciardo, Paradise Square. Then 2 lengths back in the field to Unbreakable, who's back on the inside of Don't Speed. Sigil hook to the outside. They balance up now inside the final 300 metres. Where's Wally and Angry Annie have gone up with Strato Creed. Then came Fair Joy. Excaro gets a chance. 100 metres left to go now. Angry Annie has reached the lead from Strato Creed. Where's Wally? Magnaforce. It's Angry Annie in front. Angry Annie pulling out plenty. Diving is Magnaforce. All tight. Angry Annie or Magnaforce, who got going late. Very difficult to separate them. Over on the inside, Strato Creed. Then Unbreakable getting home. Sigil was also rocketing home with Where's Wally. Excaro behind them with Paradise Square. Then Don't Speed. Then a long way back in the field was Bevel with Paradise Square, Tracciardo, Fair Joy and Wok and Woll. It's a photo. Now, number 7 has got it. Number 7 has got it on the outside. Magnaforce for Jade McNaught. Nailing Angry Annie right on the line. Angry Annie got clear. Looked like she might have them, but Magnaforce kept coming, and it's got up in the last stride. Number 7, Magnaforce, trained by Trevor Tasker, Trevor's biggest winner. And Jade McNaught in the saddle, nailing Angry Annie right on the line there, Buddy Derrick. And third going to Strato Creed, Jordan Turner. And fourth in is number 3, Where's Wally. 7, 11, 6 and 3 are up. 7, 11, 6 and 3, Magnaforce in the last stride. 111.73 is the time here after the Coolgardie Service Tyre Sprint. But Angry Annie, who had a good run behind them, reached the leader and grabbed right within the shadows of the post there by Magnaforce, who's building up a good record at the track. He's won 4 from 10 now, and he's won 3 from 5 at this distance. Magnaforce, 5-year-old chestnut geldings by Magnus. And proving a real money spinner here for Trevor Tasker, who's done a great job with the horse, owned by the Camille Proprietary Limited Syndicate, managed by Charlie Morano and Jade McNaught in the saddle there. It's a half head by a length, Second goes there to number 11 here, right on the line, Angry Annie, just cut down there, and proving a top run, a good training performance there from Tiana Robinson, getting the horse up ready to go. Maddie Derrick, she's a 5-year-old bay mare by Vital Equine, owned by A. Beckett and Tiana Robinson. And third there goes to number 6, and That is Strato Creed. Good run, trained by Joanne Forrest. Jordan Turner in the saddle, a 6-year-old mare by Stratum. And by David Forrest, Glenn Forrest and Joanne Forrest there, the owners of Strato Creed. And a fourth in at number 3, Where's Wally? 7-11, 6 and 3, a half head by a length, 118.73 after the Coolgardie Tyre Service Sprint.